standard normal distribution. And I do want to encourage you to, this video on this first page is long, but he goes through a lot of calculation problems. So it might be a good idea to make sure you watch that one. But let's kind of talk about what we have here. We have this standard normal curve, meaning that inside of it is 100%, right? So here we have all of the data points from a population sample, doesn't matter. Underneath this curve, if we added up all of this area, we have an area of 1. And what we're always trying to find is when we standardize something, instead of having it be, let's say, an IQ score where the mean is 100, well, we're going to set the mean at 0, right? And then we have the standard deviation, 1 above, 2 above, 3 above, 1 below, 2 below, 3 below. And if we're given a z-score, we can always find the percentage of people, like it's like a percentile, right? We're finding how many fall below that z-score. And so we're always given an area below. And so you have this table A. So table A is showing you all the area to the left. So the inside here is the areas, and outside here is a z-score. So let me check here. You asked about z is greater than negative 2.15. All right, well, we have to remember that this table is giving us the area to the left. Okay, the table always gives you the area to the left. And if we're looking at this question, z greater than negative 2.15, well, so here's negative 2.15. We're asking for the area over here. So if I was trying to sketch that out, I would be coloring in from negative 2.5. I want to know all the way over here. What's over here? Well, then it makes sense to say, if the table gives me this area on this side, right? The table's giving me less than. If I want to find greater than, I have to, and inside of the area is all 1. I could take the 1 minus what was going to the left, and that's going to give me the area left to the right. So let's see. Negative 2.1. So we have the tenths places are all along this side, and 1, 5. Here's the hundredths place. So negative 2.15 is here. So it's 0.158. Let's just take a little, so we don't forget that. And we can kind of put this together now. We'll use a little slide here. All right, so we want to find the area that is, what do we have here? We wanted z is greater than negative 2.15, and we found the area that was less than. So this is the area of less than. So if I say 1, make this big enough for you. If I say 1 minus 0.0158, that's going to be the area to the right. So what do we got here? Let's just be lazy. And 1 minus, I can't even remember the values because I'm tired, 0.0158. So 0.0158. All right, and so that's going to be 98%, right? Because this isn't going to round up. The 4 is going to make that stay the same. So let's check, see if we get the right answer. 0.98 is greater, and we have the right answer. All right, so the trick is you got to do these problems. You have to diagram it. You have to know which area am I looking for, right? You have to remember that in the table, it's always going to give you the area to the left. So you can find that. Just this area I find just by looking in the table. If I want the area to the right, I have to say 1 minus that. And sometimes, if I want to find the middle, right, I have to find this area to the left. And this area to the left needs to be taken out. I have to subtract that out of there. That's what the examples. Make sure you watch the videos and let me know if this helps you keep going.